Good morning, this is Stacey Agin from Organized Artistry, and I'm coming at you from my kitchen. I'm doing some holiday cooking. Some holidays are coming up and I'm getting ready in advance for the holidays. And I'm going to give you an organizing tip today, one that I'm using this morning, and it's called Mise en place. Mise en place is not technically an organizing tip, but it's an organizing principle that a lot of chefs use in their kitchens. And what it means is to get all of your ingredients for your dish in one place before you start to cook. So today I'm cooking a brisket, and that's the big old boy right there, and I've chopped up my vegetables. I have my broth and my salt and my pepper. There's my recipe. And here sits my big pot, which is awaiting the big piece of brisket. And by doing this, I don't have to be searching in my cabinets and running in and out of my pantry the whole time. Everything is here. It's ready to go in the pot. I have my recipe with my notes on it, and the cooking should go very smoothly. So if you'd like to read more about mise en place, I have a blog post about it. It's called The Organized Kitchen, Mise en Place, and you can find it on my blog at organizedartistry.com. I hope you have happy holidays and happy cooking. Bye-bye. Stacey from Organized Artistry. Have great holidays. Bye.